Oppo Reno 12F, 256GB, goes cheaper in Pakistan by 10,000 rupees. Here's the new price. Oppo Reno 12F is barely a phone that should demand 100,000 rupees, especially if you consider its semi-mid-tier specs. So Oppo has decided to cut back on its pricing and gain some traction with buyers. It will be 10,000 rupees cheaper in Pakistan from today, selling for only 89,999 rupees. This new price is far more fitting for the specs you are about to learn. IP64 rated AMOLED flat screen device that gets you a 6.67 size and 120Hz refresh rate. There's plenty of brightness here at 1200 nits, and even a Dragon Trail Star 2 glass lays on top to protect Reno 12F. A 5G version of Oppo's newest Reno model also exists, but in Pakistan, there's only the 4G option with Snapdragon 685, and it may not be as powerful for parallel tasks or even gaming. But we still have 12GB RAM and 256GB storage standard across the board, plenty for intense multitasking. Cameras are super versatile here, doing 50MP shots with the first camera and 32MP selfies from the unit up front. There's also an 8MP ultra-wide and a 2MP macro mode to play with. AI Portrait, AI Link Boost, and AI Eraser assist with the photos you take. Now, with an AMOLED panel, you might expect a fingerprint reader under the display, but Reno 12F does no such thing. There's only a side fingerprint ID on top of the power key. 5000 mAh battery sends power to every component on Oppo Reno 12F, and when it runs out, there's 45W charging to give you backup.